How to allow TikTok access to photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap for apps. Now select on manage apps over here, and as you do that, tap on the search bar to search for TikTok application on your device. As you search for it, the app will pop up at the bottom of the screen, so keep searching for the application. It might take a while, but you can just keep searching. And as it comes, just tap on TikTok application. As you tap on the application, you can see the option of app permissions at the bottom over here. So tap on app permissions. And what you simply need to do is make sure that you give access to files and media. As you can see, I've already allowed it. So you just need to tap on it and give access to media only. So as you do that, you'll give access to photos on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.